Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Giorgiana and today I'm going to do makeup for a special event. I'm really glad to be back here after so many months, and I hope that I'm going to do every single week one video for you. So I'm going to start with using a foundation. I have already prepared my skin. I applied my moisturizing cream and also this Baume from Clarins. I'm using it like a primer, and let's see, I'm going to use today this makeup Dior Forever. But before that, I'm going to prime my eyes because I have used this primer which is called Eyeshadow Keeper from Inglot. I also have this Fenty Beauty Easy Drop, and I think that I'm going to do like a review, so if you are interested, please comment down below, okay? I'm going to mix Dior with this makeup from Catrice because it has a big coverage. I always mix foundations because I have done a lot of experience with these ones, and I find that they have a similar texture. Let's see if I like the color. Yes, it's good. As you can see, I have fake tan on my body. I'm going to use this brush. Okay, now I'm going to use this Double Duty Beauty from Tarte. It's the Shape Tape Concealer. And I'm going to apply it here, here, a bit here, and here. Okay, and I'm going to use this brush. Okay, good. Now I'm going to powder, and I'm going to use this Stay Matte powder from Rimmel London, and the color is 001 Transparent. I'm going to use this, but I'm going to powder only the center of my face, okay? And my forehead. As you can know, I have oily skin, so I always have to powder. I'm going to start with my eyes. Today I don't want to wear a lot of, my eyes. I want to do them like very easy, something easy, and I'm going to use today this palette from Fenty Beauty, and I'm going to start with this color, this one from here, Concrete Lavender. Okay, I'm going to use this brush from Real Techniques. And I'm going to apply it all over my lid. Okay, now I'm going to take this color which is called brownie baby. They say it's brown, but it's not brown. It's like purple, in my opinion. Like a purple brownish. It has got like a bit of brown. As you can see, I'm not applying a lot. Okay. Now I'm going to take a bit of, let me see, concealer. Okay, I'm going to use again Tarte, and I'm going to put it on my hand. And with this kind of brush, I'm going to do like a small crease, cut crease. Okay, and now I'm going to take a bit of Pigment Transformer Glossy Mixing, only one drop. I'm going to use the same tiny whiny brush to use the gloss. Okay, and I'm going to use this loose pigment. I'm going to apply it on my lid. Okay. Now I want to show you the bottle of loose pigment. Is from Sleek Makeup. Please excuse the mess. And now I'm going to take again the Fenty palette, and I'm going to blend a bit more this color. Okay, and also I'm not really convinced about the color, so I'm going to take from the Fenty palette. I don't like the color, so I'm going to mix it. I'm going to mix it with this one from Inglot. Oh yes, I like it more, a bit more. And I'm going to take now these colors from Inglot Palette from here, and I'm going to mix the brown color with this one. Okay. I'm not happy with the result, but we will going to see. I have here my palette from Pillow Talk, from Luxury Palette, this one from Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm going to use the color that I have in the middle, and also the pigment. Wow, yes, now I like the result. Come on, now it's really beautiful. Okay, now I'm going to use this brown tattoo liner from Maybelline. This is crayon gel, and the color is Matita Oki. As you can see, I'm going to use it inside my waterline. I don't think that I have time to use some false lashes. I'm going to use some mascara which are perfect for this makeup, and therefore I'm going to do my eyebrows because I totally forgot about them. So I have curled my eyelashes, and now I'm going to use these Lancome Hypnose Doll Eyes. These are the movements that we have to use, like this. I totally forgot of my bottom eyelashes, but it's okay. Now I'm going to use Mega Volume Collagen 24 Hours from L'Oreal, the second coat of mascara. This is extra black. Okay, and now finally the third coat of mascara is this one, Pillow Talk Push Up Lashes from Charlotte Tilbury. I'm going to take it and use it. Wow, I like the result of the three mascara together. This is crazy. Okay, now I'm going to use this palette from Film Star Bronze and Glow, Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm going to bronze my face a bit. Forehead. Now my eyebrows, let's see. I'm going to use this from MAC, this Fling Velux Brow Liner. This one from MAC. Okay, I believe that they are okay now. I'm going to use this 24 hours brow setter from Benefit. Just in case. They go crazy sometimes. And also this brow blade from Urban Decay. Okay, now I'm going to use the highlighter from the same palette that I have showed to you. A bit of highlighter, not too much, because my eyes are really popping out. Okay, now I'm going to use this blush from NARS, which is called Orgasm, and it's almost finished. I mean, like this. It's broken. Wow, this blush is the best in my opinion. It is so nice. But you know what? I'm going to mix it with another brush that I have. Yeah, another blush. Okay, I'm going to mix it with this one from Tarte. The name is Harmony. This is a matte blush. I like it the best, like this one. I'm going to use this MAC lip liner. The color is Oak. I don't like it. I think I'm going to use this one from Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick. The color is Rose Matte. Okay, so guys, I need the last thing, and this is the Inglot Makeup Fixer. This is the best, in my opinion. My opinion is the best. Let's wait. So I think that I have finished, so this is the final result. I hope that you have enjoyed my video, and please subscribe to my channel if you are new, and yes, see you next time. Goodbye. Bye bye.